Hi, welcome. This is my Japanese ArcoLinux. Yes, it is. You see that our Ctrl-Alt-T is providing, well, business as usual. And I can't type here as well. But I'm guessing Nato is giving me some help with that later on to get this. Oh, it is in Japanese. Okay. So, boom, there it is. All in Japanese. Now, I wanted to make this video, a very short video, of course, and that's because of these things, right? So, developers create the translation inside their application. So, this is developed by us. We don't know what Japanese thing we should write, ever. So, these guys will never be translated. So, these are ours, but there are other developers as well, like Atom and others you'll see here, that do not have a translation. We can't do anything about it. So if you see something in here that does not translate in Finnish, in Turkish, etc., right? That's not because of ArcoLinux, not even because of ArcoLinux, it's because of the developers. In user share applications, there are .desktop files, and in there are either language codes or they're not. If they're not, they just take the normal language, which is then English. So, but it looks quite fun, of course. For me, it's fun. For others, it's just, okay, Japanese, right? But it's awesome that these things are so flexible, right? But if they are not flexible, and that's the point of the video, it's not because of us. All right, have fun.